Let's move on with the next step. We'll now run the communication connections between the chargers of the power sharing system. For this, we will need a Category 5E Ethernet cable. We need to identify the terminals on each charger and always respect the polarity of the wiring, always connecting CAN H to CAN H and CAN L to CAN L. We start with the primary Pulsar Plus, which we connect to the second one and then to the third. Close the chargers and go to the My Wallbox app to finish the power sharing configuration. To activate power sharing, we will need to log in to a My Wallbox account. Make sure you have the latest software version available. Select the primary charger, press on the gear icon in the top right, then Upgrades, and finally Power Sharing. In this menu, we will have to enter the number of chargers, in this case 3. We will also have to indicate the maximum current of the installation. After this, we will need to set the minimum current per charger. In the case of Wallbox chargers, our minimum is 6 amps. For secondary chargers, there is no configuration required. It's as easy as that. If you have any further questions, head over to these websites.